In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Teams desktop shortcut on a Windows computer. If you've ever tried right-clicking and noticed there's no option to create a shortcut, don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Let's walk through it together. To get started, you'll need a specific command. Don't worry about memorizing it, the command is included in the video description, so you can simply copy it from there. Once you've copied the command, head over to the Windows search box and type Run, then click on the Run app to open it. When the Run window appears, paste the command you copied into the box and click OK. This will open a list of installed applications on your computer. From here, scroll through the list or use the search to find Microsoft Teams. Once you locate Microsoft Teams, right-click on it and select Create Shortcut. A message will pop up asking if you want to place the shortcut on your desktop since it can't be created in that location. Go ahead and click Yes. After that, minimize your windows and check your desktop. You should now see the Microsoft Teams shortcut ready to use. You can double-click at any time to launch Teams quickly without digging through menus. And that's it. That's how you create a Microsoft Teams desktop shortcut on a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial.